Yeah, so the Kolopa strategy is easy. It's easy for anyone to use and it's easy for anyone to trade with it. So the only caution is somebody doesn't need to trade during the weekends because the volatility of the market goes very high, and you find that the strategy is not being respected. And the early hours of Monday, especially rather around 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, somewhere there, that's when you get to have a high volatility because of the certain factors that affects the indices, the stock exchange, right? So you avoid it. So what are we supposed to do? This is just for clarification for those people that did not understand. Um, my background is white, so wherever you've rather my background is black. So for those particular individuals that have got a background that is white, where I have put black, you should put white. Why is this? Are we having a difference of color? The indicators that I'm using, uh, they've got a lot of components, and I don't need every component. I only need certain segments of them. So I remove the others because my background is black. So if I put it in black, it will automatically be removed from the chart, right? So it is simple and easy. So how do we trade? Like I said, when you've got two alligators and you've got the Ichimoku on the main chart, so what happens is, coming from a long trend and a spike happens, right? And when a spike happens, the Ichimoku will try to plot the spike from here to there to here. Then after it finishes to plotting the spike, it will try to move sideways, moving away from the alligator. And the moment it moves away from the alligator, you know that the second spike is about to, another spike is about to happen, and another spike happens, and it tries to plot. But this spike has happened; it has not plotted it to a point whereby it penetrates the alligator, meaning another spike is bound to happen, just like that. You see, it tries to plot it, but the way it has plotted it, it has not gone over, cutting through the alligators, right? So if it cuts only one alligator, still it means a spike is about to happen. But when it cuts both of them, it means the trend has changed. But in this case, if we are having a situation whereby the Ichimoku the tries to plot the spike which has just happened, and the way it has plotted it, it does not go through the alligators. It means spikes are about to happen. You see, you see, you see, you see. Then here, this is our exit. This is our exit. When it goes like that, it goes sideways, then it goes up. This one is not a spike. This plotting is not a spike. It is signaling to say the trend is about to change. Look at that. Look at that. So this is for uh, boom. Now let us see something for crash. Let us see something for crash. Let us see something for crash. The situation is the same, right? You're having a spike that is going down. The first spike happens, then the Ichimoku doesn't cut through. It's tried to cut the white one, the white only one, and it doesn't happen. And then it moves sideways, right? Moving away from the Ichimoku. It means the spike is likely to happen. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then when it cuts, this is not really a spike. It cuts through. You come out. You come out. So let's count how many that we are supposed to harvest the spikes. 1, 2, 3. So you are supposed to get this spike, and this spike, right? So this is how you